What's up guys? In this video I will show you how to change your Hashflare dashboard so that you get much more information about your purchases, withdrawals, your payback and so on for free. For example, here you can see the number of purchases you've made and how many times and how much you withdrew. You can also check in percent how high the maintenance fees are and what your payout is in USD per day. This makes it much easier to have an overview of your account without having to pull out a calculator. In the Playback section, you can see exactly how much you got paid back in percent and how many days it will take to get your return on investment with and without the reinvesting option. It's really simple to get all of these informations. You can click on the link in the description or simply search for Hashflare Addon. This will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. Here you can add it to your Chrome web browser and you're done. Sadly, this add-on is only supported on Chrome as of right now. If you watched my last video, then you might know that I stopped reinvesting on Hashflare and started to use Crypterra. This cloud mining service is even more profitable with their 2-year contracts and $128 per terahash price. You are essentially multiplying your investment by 10 on this site. As of on Hashflare, the return on investment is about 125 days at the moment. On Crypterra, it is 60. On this site you can withdraw as low as $10 and you don't have to pay any fees as the transactions get bundled. Also, they have extended their Christmas and New Year promotion this month. So if you buy a BTC mining contract, then you can get 30% off right now. That brings you to a price of less than 90 USD per terahash. Every new contract I will buy will be on here from now on. If you are interested in joining, then make sure to use the affiliate link in the description to support this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.